Okay. Burlington Truck Day, as seen from the top of the back of my sander. Figured I might as well get a 360. I didn't have my cool tablet this time last year. Oh. Tons of little kids climbing and jumping and blowing every horn they can get their hands on. Little rugrat bastards. I already broke off one of my fucking little visor fucking poles on my plow 5 minutes after I got here. Thinking it's a friggin' stripper pole or something. Look, pays to advertise. Lamest truck ever. At least they're getting the name out there though. Bunch of trucks already left. Some cool stuff over on this side. Cool deuce and a half, giant tires right there. But, you know, there's your 360 view of Truck Day, because most of you probably missed it. Not too many people into trucks like I am, but, you know. Hey, have a good day.